Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the newly redesigned 2021 Ford F-150 in a Lariat trim and powered by a 5-liter V8 engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing. Coming with a new look inside and out, and this one even comes with some other upgrades installed right here at Prince George Ford, such as a 6-inch BDS Lift Kit, bucket-style fender flares, bulletproof mudflaps on the front and rear tires, and sitting on some 20-inch KMC XD Rims with some 25-inch Cooper Discoverer STT off-road tires. You've got some nice upgrades there. But let's take a look inside. And first, looking in the back, where you have seating for 3 with a nice full leather interior. In the middle, you have fold-out armrests with 2 cup holders, as well as having 2 more in the middle here with a 12-volt power outlet, USB and USB-C, 120-volt power outlet, and heated rear seats. Seats can also be folded up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. This truck does also have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as 3 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, steering wheel, pedals, and your mirrors. So now sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center screen here, which is fully digital, and you can cycle through your trip 1 and 2, your eco behavior, auto start stop status, driver assistance features, fuel economy, and then you can also go into your truck info, such as tire pressures, off-road status, power distribution, engine information, and then seat belts and driver assistance again. And you also have your towing status and information, your navigation controls, phone controls, audio controls, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle in general. Do also have My View, which is sort of a favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. Then moving on to the left side of the steering wheel, where you have your cruise controls with distance pacing technology and lane keeping system. Your hands-free phone and radio controls are along the bottom side of both sides. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth, so you do have some options there for whatever you want to listen to, however you want to listen to it. Then you have your Bluetooth phone controls, your navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels. Your favorite screen, much like My View, where you can put any subcategory for ease of access, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, zone lighting, towing, and owner's manual. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera with a full 360 view, so you're going to be able to see all around your truck and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch view, so you can zoom in and hopefully have an easier time hooking up a trailer or something of the sort. And then above your screen, you have your auto start stop shut off, your camera view for your front view, your parallel park assist, or active park assist, hazards, traction control shutoff, and hill descent assist. Do also have a premium B&O audio system in this vehicle, so your music or whatever you're listening to is going to sound pretty decent. Moving down from that, you have your media controls and then your climate controls with dual front climate, heated and air-conditioned front seats, and a heated steering wheel. So plenty of options there to keep yourself comfortable no matter the weather or climate. And then to the left of that, you have your Pro Trailer backup controller, trailer brake controller, and 4x4 selector with 4 auto and a locking rear differential, as well as your drive mode selector here, which will yell at me. And then you have normal, tow haul, eco, sport, and then in the other direction you have slippery, deep snow sand, mud ruts, and rock crawl mode, which is unique to some of the, I believe, the FX4 package for the F-150. But then moving on from that, on the right side you have your 12-volt power outlet, 120-volt power outlet, and this button up here to open this hatch for more storage above your glove compartment. And then you have this down here, which slides open to reveal a USB and USB-C, so you can plug something in from there. Then you have your center console area, where you have 2 cup holders, a cubby, and your main shifter with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears, and can also fold flat to create a more flat space here if you just want that out of the way. And then you have your center compartment / armrest, which is lockable and very spacious, has a removable tray. Those are your tie-down hooks. And then inside you have a ton of room, including another USB and USB-C. And then looking back, you have a power sliding rear window, And last but not least, a twin panel moonroof up top so you can let in the sunshine. That should cover our look at the interior. So if you're in the market for a new truck with some great mods installed right here at Prince George Ford, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111 or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.